Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the back cover and camera lens glass on Huawei P20 lite mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then remove the back cover. Here we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic card pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. While taking out the back cover, be gentle, the fingerprint plug is attached to the back cover. Next, remove the fingerprint bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then disconnect the fingerprint plug. Now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the broken camera lens glass from the back cover. Apply heat and push from the rear side to remove the broken lens. There are 2 different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the camera lens or camera lens with the back cover. If you have selected only the camera lens glass, place it on the back cover by adding glue. Or if you have selected the back cover with the lens, make sure to transfer the fingerprint unit to the back cover. Next, place the back cover on the body. First, connect the fingerprint and battery plugs to the board. Next, place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the back cover. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.